Hello fashion lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Stylista Moda. If you find my channel interesting and informative, please subscribe my channel, like the videos and please leave the comments in the comment box regarding each and every video, your views and your feedbacks. So today's topic is posture figure leg positions. So let's start stick figure leg positions. For that we have taken the block of hip block and leg block. Thus you can see it's from waist to hip, then to knee, to ankle and to ground. To make the leg position, first we'll be making the wide leg open. So for that you need a compass. You have to open the compass by 6 inches, that means from ankle to hip like this, and draw a curve from hip to ankle, right? In the same way you open the compass by 3 inches from hip to knee and then draw the curve guide like this, right? Then you see for ground do the same process, 6.5 from hip to ground and draw the curve. After that we will draw a line from hip to ground level apart from the main center line. Do the same on the other side. Remember, if you want to open the leg wide open, the distance should be about same. Now 1/4 inch as usual we used to do in the leg, and then join this to the hip like this and like this. For the foot do the same process. If you are viewing this video first time, so follow the previous videos, you'll come to know about the measurements and the process. Now again 1/2 inch as we used to do, and join it to the ankle. Do the same on the other side. See, this is the way you can draw a figure with leg open. Depends how much the distance between the both legs you want, but this is the most decent way or distance you can keep in two legs for the fashion figures. Now we'll be making one leg straight and one will be bent like this. Draw the straight one line simply as we used to do in the block figure, 1/2 inch, and then this is the simple leg as we used to do in the block figure. Now we'll be opening the compass by 3 inches, that means till knee, hip to knee like this, and draw a curve. Now for the bent leg, draw the leg as we used to draw in side view, from center line to knee, little bit apart from the center line, 6 points, that means 3/8 inch. Join it to the hip. This is the upper portion of the leg. Now for the lower portion, again draw the curve to get the measurements of 3 inches of course, and then join it to the curve, draw the foot as we used to draw in this. This is the legs position. Now for the foot, draw it as we used to draw in the side view. 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch, join it to the ankle, and then 1/4 of an inch, like this. Right. For the third view, we'll be creating cross leg view. For cross leg view, again you have to draw one straight line with the help of center line. 1/4 inch, join it to the hip, 1/2 of an inch, join it to the ankle. This is the general line. See, right? Now take the compass, open it for 3 inches, hip to knee, mark a line, arch, and then do the process as we did in the previous figure. Great. 6 points, join it to the hip. Now we will be crossing the leg. For that you have to cross the straight wala leg. Again we'll be marking the position of ankle like this. Join it to the ankle. 1/4 inch, join it to the knee, and draw the foot as we used to do in the side view figure. That's great. Like this. See, this is the cross leg. Now remove the overlaid portion. The shape of calf. See, now we'll be creating some other positions. This is the most used position that we used to use in fashion figures. One leg will be straight again. Just like front view figure, like this. And another leg will be bent, but it will be overlay the straight leg. Knee to hip, now join it to the center line, a little bit inside of the center leg. It will be crossing the leg, and then outside from the center line, like this, and then 6 points, join to the hip, 1/4 inch, join to the knee, but in this view foot will be created as we used to create in front view figure. This will remove the extra lines to have the clear view of the figure. See, now you can see. Now for the walking position, you have to join the hip to the ankle, but at the center line. See, right? After that, 1/4 inch and join it to the center of hip line, that means crotch level, like this, right? Because foot comes straight from the center line, so we have to extend this line by 1/2 inches for the ground level, then 1/2 inch for the foot, and this, right? So now for the second leg, what we have to do, we have to join the outer of ankle to the hip level, like this. This, right? And again 1/4 inch, join it to the center line, then extend this line by 1/2 inch, and this is the walking view or the walking style of the figure. So now you can observe some fashion magazines and other sources of fashion figures so that you can create some your own. Thanks for watching this video, friends, and if you find this video informative, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you very much.